Hi, dear friend, if you're Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to this sound and vibration. Here you will see silent mode switcher, so just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, we should use this switcher. Also, we could silence media in silent mode with the help of this second switcher. So we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here silent mode icon. Just click once on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off. And also we could just press after the up or down volume button. Here you will see bell icon. Just click on this bell icon. Now that the silent mode is activated, to turn it off, click to this cross bell, and now we can see that the silent mode is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.